how to post new job update on LinkedIn. So if you want to post a new job update on your LinkedIn, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your LinkedIn application. After opening your LinkedIn, you need to just simply go with your post section. For that, you need to go with your profile at first, or just simply go with post, which will be in the bottom middle of your screen, and you will get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply tap on a new position, go with the plus option, and here you need to go and select job. After that, select the company, and then it will ask you for a position, enter your position, and write some description. You can also write what you're working as, like what is your position and what company and stuff like that. And then you need to tap on post, which will be on the top of your screen. And that's it. After doing that, you have posted a new job update on your LinkedIn. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.